Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I just wanted to reach out to my CNS 114 students, Windows Server 2, my advanced students. How you guys doing? I hope that you are doing great. I hope that your families are safe. I hope that you are safe, and I hope that you stand away from the madness that's running around the world. The reason I'm sending you this particular video log is just to touch bases with you. You are on point. You are doing your job, and everybody has completed the work that they needed to complete for this week. Kudos to you. Now, with that being said, I am also setting up what we call a meetup online. So you, in this video log email, you will see the credentials to meet up. Make sure that you do not give those credentials to anyone, because the rumor is that sometimes in Zoom they are hacking people's Zoom's connections. Now, I don't know why. Some people out there that just don't have anything to do, so they want to hack people stuff and do foolish things. You cannot see my face right now because it's a couple of things that I want to show you, and I don't want my face to be distracting you. And plus, I just want to really show you this and send you this video log. With that being said, we are approximately 1 minute and 39 seconds into this. So in this meetup that we will have, I just want to talk about the class, make sure that you got a full understanding. Pretty much, I just want to touch bases with you, just make sure you're okay and you're doing fine. And also, I want to talk about new Cisco certifications. As you can see on my screen, we got this CCNA. It is brand spanking new, and I love it. I love it. I'm actually working through the curriculum now to get prepared for some classes that I will be teaching in the fall, and I really love it, and I know you guys gonna love it too if you haven't took CCNA classes. But we have a plethora of certifications that they changed in here, and I'm just basically gonna talk about a few minutes on this. Not too long, just a few minutes. If I click over here, and I will make sure that this link here is in my video log description, that way you'll be able to go review the material on your own. But I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna talk a little bit about classes that I will be teaching coming up in the fall, and also show you the new stuff. So right here, you can already see, if I click on Field Technician, this here, you'll see this. But you guys, I passed this, so you don't have to worry about a Field Technician certification unless you just want to run around the country and do tech work. But you guys are past this already. And what I'm going to choose now is this CCNA. So once I click on that, this is the new CCNA, and it is love. You heard me talk about it a little bit, but I'm going to talk about it a little more. I like the changes Cisco made. This reminds me of Cisco way back in the early days when things were simple, they wasn't complex, and this is really beautiful. But just to jump into it, we got network fundamentals, network access, IP connectivity, and IP services, security fundamentals, and what I love so much is automation and programmability. Oh yes, you get programming in there. You learn how to write scripts to set up processes for your particular organization. So I love this. We'll talk a little bit about it more in our vlog meetup, but I just wanted to give you a real quick look at that. I'm gonna go back too, because there's some other classes in here that I will be focused on for myself as well as for you. Hopefully you'll be around to take these classes, but we're gonna, in our department, step it up to the enterprise level. This is when you have mastery over the Cisco networking. Now, as you can see, this is CCNP, Enterprise Core, And don't worry, I'm going to explain all of this when we meet up. But I just want you to know that this here is love, because you get the chance to get you a CCNP and not have to go through 9 books. I know that's a little bit extreme, but Cisco is well known for sending you through multiple books when you go become on a professional level. The next thing I want to talk about is this class that I will be offering coming soon. It's called Cyber Ops Associate. It's the 200 101, so that's going to be the new class that will be bouncing out to you guys. And I'm going to tell you right now, Cyber Ops, understanding Cisco cybersecurity operation fundamentals. This class is so nice, so fun, that you will enjoy it. Now, let's take the cert for it. It is May 29, 2020, so that has already passed. It's out there, it's ready to roll, and hey, it's going to be a beautiful thing. So those are the things I wanted to talk about Cisco. Oh, one more other thing about Cisco, and I said one more other thing. English, young man, English. But anyway, right here you see what they call specialties. Now, I'm really going to explain the specialties to you, because this is what Cisco did here is how it used to be way back when. And this is how it should always be. You shouldn't have to, if you don't want to go get a CCNP, go get it. But you can specialize in particular fields and really get in-depth knowledge on the specialty. And one of the targets in here for me is going to be the actual security certifications. So I'm going to talk about that when we meet up. Right now, I just want you guys to know that we are really going to dig in deep. And as you can see, here's some of the security certifications right here. And yes, they'll be listed in the specialist brand, but we'll talk about that later. Also, Microsoft made some radical changes. Everything in Microsoft now will be role-based certifications. And you know me, I'm always talking about lab up, and that's what role-based certifications are all about. Role-based certifications by technology or job role. It's about you having the skills and the knowledge to talk about it. Not talk about it, but actually do it. You will see now when we meet up, we're going to go deep in on Microsoft Cloud Computing. These will be the next certifications that training that we will be rolling out really soon in the fall. So please be looking for it, but I may explain it to you in detail when we meet up. One of the main places that we will be targeted, and I just want to show you this real quick, will be the Azure. Well, you know me, I still slaughter the name. Azure certifications, or whatever I don't know where they get these names from, but hey, I'm all good with it. But we'll be going deep off into these certifications because they are extremely important in the certification platform. And you know, it's that cloud based, and you know how I'm about cloud. Cloud is the future, and I want to make sure you guys, when you leave up out of here, you have the cloud foundation down to a science. So not only do you have the Cisco's, the Microsoft platform that you're in now, but you'll be able to roll in the cloud with no problems. And you're going to see us introducing this particular course here, which is Microsoft Azure Administrator. It's retiring this one, but they bringing out the new one, and it's already up and ready to go. You'll see it in here, and we are getting ready to roll this stuff out. Okay, so I just wanted to jump in real quick, create this video log for you so we can actually meet up and get ready to start talking about the new things which will be coming out real soon, so you can be prepared and ready. And just to touch bases with you, in this time of crisis. And here it is right here, Microsoft Azure, which releases April the 2nd. It is rolling. It is out. Yes, yes. So guys, hey, let's get together. We will actually be meeting next week on the 14th at 6 p.m. So I hope you're not working, and I hope you're not doing family things, and you can join in, chime in on that meeting. The link and all the material will be in the email that I send you. So please do not share that with anybody, because we got people out there who want to be hackathons. I don't know why, but hey, what can you say? This is Professor Sistrong. I will see you soon next week on the 14th at 6 p.m. Be peaceful, be safe, and I'll see you then.